which was under a Milky Way called as Akasaganga. So we made so many solar systems are there, but particularly we are reading about a solar system which was in a Milky Way galaxy. So what does this family of sun consist of? The sun, 8 planets, asteroids, meteoroids, satellites and comets. So these together we call as a family of sun, what is nothing but a solar system. About our planets. So everyone knows that we are having 8 planets. Those are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So generally there will be a lot of formulas to remember them in a very chronological order. So now we are not going to discuss about this order. Just we are going to know about the planets. Not in depth but a very little bit. So the first 4 planets were categorized as inner planets or terrestrial planets. Nothing but Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars were regarded as or were classified as inner planets or terrestrial planets. So the other 4 planets of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune were classified or categorized under outer planets or Jovian planets. So why these differences are there? So the first inner planets, the name itself says that which are very close to the sun. And terrestrial planets, why this name has come? Because of composition of the planets, the rocks or metals. So generally the inner planets were made with rocks or metals. The next 4 are outer planets or Jovian planets. Outer, so they were very far from the sun. And Jovian is nothing but giant, very huge planets. And these planets are made up of gases and liquids. So here we have so many nicknames for the planets. So the Mercury was called as Swift planet. Venus was called as Morning Star, Evening Star, Whiter planet, Earth's twin. Earth is termed as Blue planet. Mars, Red planet. Jupiter, Giant planet. Saturn, Ringed planet, Beautiful planet. Uranus, Ice Giant planet, Green planet. Neptune, Big Blue planet. So these are the nicknames of the planets. Next, we are going to know about the Earth, the very important planet, which is seems to be the only living planet on the solar system. Earth. So Earth is made up of land and water. So generally the inner planet, which is only supporting the life, is believed to be, till now we didn't have any sources from the other planets that the life was there. So the seems to be or believed to be the Earth is only the livable planet. So it is made up of land and water. First, land. So the large land masses on which we live are termed as continents. So there are 7 continents. Those are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Among these continents, the largest is Asia and the smallest is Australia. So here the Earth is composed of both the land and water. So only the living things are more living on the land areas. Those are called as continents, and it was being classified into 7 The land masses has been divided into 7 continents. So those are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Oceans. Other than the land area, the earth was covered with water bodies, with a very huge water bodies. Those are generally termed as oceans. So we have 5 oceans which will be surrounding the land masses. Those are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So Pacific Ocean, it is the largest ocean among the 5 oceans and it is circular in shape. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean was in between the North America, South America, Europe and Africa, which is in a S-shaped one. Indian Ocean, which was located below the Indian subcontinent, which is in a triangle shape. And Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean, which was located in the south pole of the earth. And finally, Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest among all the oceans, located in the north pole of the earth. So these are the 5 oceans. Pacific, which is the largest one, Atlantic, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean.